Hey guys, how you guys doing? So I have here a review on some Giuseppe Zanotti men sneakers. So to start off here, I just wanted to show you guys the box itself. So it's gonna come in this box right here. And of course, this is their little signature logo. So this is like a canvas box, really strong canvas box. So we're gonna open that up here. And this is what you will get when you open it up. So this is the dust bag for the shoes. A very, very pretty, like silverish, satin type of material dust bag with, of course, their logo right there as well. So we're gonna move that to the side. And here we have their special signature wrapping, which I'm going to just move to the side. And I'm gonna flip it over. And here are the shoes. Look at these beautiful, beautiful shoes. Wow, wow. They are amazing. So I'm gonna take these shoes out this plastic bag. Okay. So I want to show you guys, of course, the shoe very thoroughly. This is in case you guys have seen it and are not sure of purchasing the shoe. Well, now you're gonna have a better glance. So here we have some blue coloring design in the back, and in the front, of course, we have black. And the nice part about these sneakers is that the shoelace are black as well, so that will help you, to have them last you a little longer when it comes to being nice and clean. And the material itself is leather, so this sneaker here is fully leather. And of course the sole itself is white rubber. So this is how the bottom looks. They have the signature there in the center, so very pretty. So as you can tell, it has two zippers. It has one on each side, so one here and the other side will be right here. So once again, this is how the sneaker looks from the front. This is how it looks from the side and from the back. Okay, so again, this is a fully leather sneaker. Very nice, very comfortable shoe right here. So yeah, so this is just the rest of the boxing. This is like the wrapping, and of course you will lift this up here, and there is the other shoe itself, very well protected. And again, I want to show you guys here really quick. I don't know if it has the name itself. For those interested, this is the serial number of this sneaker in case you want to have easy access to finding this particular shoe. And the retail price of this shoe was the market price is $795. So yeah, if you go onto their website and you can catch a sale on these and you see them, this is like a must-buy. Great shoe. Very nice, very comfortable, and the best part about it is that it is leather material. Very pretty. All right guys, so I hope you guys find this video helpful. For those that have seen this shoe on their website and were not sure whether or not it was their style, or how exactly it looked in person. So I hope this helped you out. All right guys, so I see you all on my next video. Bye.